So hi, lovers of STEM. This one is a difficult one for me because I've been on both sides, right? I've been a student at a school where the professors didn't seem to care about you, your success, and whether you passed or failed. And then I've also been a professor at an engineering school and seen students struggle. What I will say is that when I have students who are not earning a passing grade, I will do everything in my power, give them all the resources they need to be successful. But I also know that student evaluations can be particularly biased against women, Black and brown people, especially in fields where you don't see a lot of them like STEM. So I would be very concerned about an administration that's using course evaluations or even student complaints in order to fire a professor. And once again, mostly adjunct, temporary, instructional type of professors are typically women. So in this case, this is rare because this guy is actually a tenured retired professor who just came back to teach. But it would be normally us who are getting hurt or getting fired because somebody perceives the class is too hard or too difficult or we're not being fair. So what I will say is I know as a student I was mistreated, but I also have to recognize that sometimes when I was getting bad grades is because I wasn't doing all of what I was supposed to do. And so because of that, I definitely stand on the side of the professor. You don't fire people because someone complains. You call that professor in and help them identify strategies and resources to support the students more, whether that's more office hours, more timely returning of grading, more transparency in the grading process. But I just can't be on the side of using complaints and evaluations for firing professors, because I've been that professor who was hired because I was a double minority and I shouldn't be there and all this kind of stuff. And I'm an award-winning professor, so you can't take these student complaints always as valid and, forget about the prejudices. But just wanted to share. Stay STEM-tastic.